Truth, ano ba ang katotohanan ng namamagitan kina Richard Gutierrez at Casey Concepcion? Ito po.
Tuloy na ang movie together ni na Richard Gutierrez at Casey Concepcion. Nabalitak noon na espesyal ang atensyong ipinapakita ni Richard kay Casey kahit hindi naman sila magkatrabaho pa.
At kung ano man ang namamagitan sa kanila, wala silang kawala sa insider info ni Raymond.
Tapos you went to the fort, you didn't invite me. Gusto niyo ba maging solo kayong dalawa?
At nagbitaw na rin ng salita si Sharon na boto siya kay Richard para kay Casey.
So ano na ang next development? Tutukan mo sa Showbiz Central.
Continue to be on the...
Richard Gutierrez and Casey Concepcion. Put these two names together and you will have a combination like no other. At ngayon, ang pinakaabangang pagsasama sa wakas matutuloy na. Because what started as Casey and Richard's dream project was made official noong Huwebes sa announcement at contract signing ng kanilang Valentine movie under GMA Films entitled When I Met You.
Next year, for next Valentine's, ang aabangan naman na Valentine movie is a Richard Casey movie. We promise that it will be very, very romantic.
And because I've got the inside scoop, hindi ko pinalampas ang rare opportunity na ito to get the real score from them.
This is a day of first. First in Philippine show business. Diba? First for you guys to work together. First with Direct Joey. How does it feel na this is such a momentous occasion talaga?
Just the fact na nakapag-usap sila and that they came up with a deal was really, it was a dream come true. And kung hindi dahil kay Chard, wala rin akong lakas na loob ipaglaban yun. So,
But of course, I want to thank Casey because, you know, she did her part as well. She did the last push. And kumbaga malapit na kami sa finish line, siya yung tumapo sa finish line. So.
Okay, let's talk about the two of you naman. Alam ko maraming nakakaalam na matagal na kayong magkakilala pero recently lang kayo naging close. Am I correct?
on and off kasi yung pagkakakilala namin sa isa't isa. So,
Chard, kasi, di ba crush mo si Casey dati? Di ba nung high school tayo? Matagal na yon.
hindi pong kape.
Di ba whenever you see her commercials, you admire, from before pa, you admired naman.
Yes, I can say, yes, I always admired Casey's beauty ever since before. And
Thank you.
Ikaw naman, Case, naalala mo ba yung first time makilala si Chard?
Naalala ko yung first time na nakilala ko siya. Hindi ko alam. Until 7 months ago, hindi ko pa alam na nakambal pala kayo.
Talaga?
Hindi ko alam na kambal
Kasi
kayo.
syempre mas pogi ako.
One side ko sasabihin, sarap na sabi.
Now let's talk about the super fun birthday party that we both attended, Chard. Kasi, guys, if you don't know, kasi Casey sang in her birthday party for her friends and family. And then si Chard, habang kumakanta si Casey, naliligo. Pero when he heard the song, talagang tinapos na, nag-rush siya. Tapos he went down to hear Casey sing.
oh, may mga sabon pa ako dito.
Pero pagbaba niya, tapos na. Casey, kailan ka ba maririnig ni Chard kumanta?
Ay, hindi ngayon. Lalabas yung album ko. Bilhin naman na lang.
Chard, are you excited to hear her sing? Kasi hindi mo naabutan. Ako, naabutan ko.
Oo nga eh, napakaswerte mo nga eh. Wala ako dun. Tsaka talagang kumanta siya nung wala ako talagang...
Sayang.
Pero naririnig ko.
Tumamba ako dun.
Oo, naririnig ko.
And how did you find it?
It's beautiful.
Tapos nung isang gabi, libre ako. I finished work early. Tapos you went to the fort.
You didn't invite me. Gusto niyo ba maging solo kayo?
Case, what have you heard about Chard as a leading man?
Ay, nako.
Ano ba yung mga narinig mo dyan?
Malaga. Sweet. Marami daw ni-love dyan eh.
Talaga?
Pero, I think that's good because it means he's committed to his role. So, as a leading man, he knows what his role is and he knows how to take care of women, of girls, women.
Now guys, a message to everyone who's been clamoring for this team up na who made it. Sila talaga yung reason, di ba? So, talk to them.
Guys, ito na yun. Nangyari na yung hinihiling natin lahat. Sobrang dami namin pinagdaanan para lang mabigay ito sa inyo. And not just one film, but 2 films. Of course, yung Valentine movie ng GMA and yung August movie, my very first movie with Star Cinema. And Chard, para sa inyong lahat to.
Sa lahat ng tao, ito po ang regalo namin ni Casey sa inyo. And we're gonna make sure na exciting at magandang projects ang ibibigay namin sa inyo. At sana po supportahan ninyo at sana ma-enjoy po ninyo. Dahil para sa inyo po ito.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Case, again, welcome to GMA 7 and hope to see more of you here.